Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up dividend reinvestment on Robinhood. To begin, open your Robinhood app and navigate to the Investing tab. Look for the Dividends section, which might be under Account or Settings. Here, you will find the option to enable dividend reinvestment for your eligible holdings. This feature allows your earned dividends to automatically purchase additional shares or fractional shares of the same stock, fostering long-term growth. Once you are in the dividends section, you will see a list of your dividend-paying stocks. Tap on a specific stock to view its details. Within this view, locate the Dividend Reinvestment setting. It will typically be a toggle switch. Simply tap to turn it on for that particular security. Remember, you must enable DRIP for each eligible stock individually to ensure your dividends are reinvested. It is important to note that not every stock or exchange-traded fund is eligible for dividend reinvestment. Robinhood will only offer DRIP for securities that support it. When dividends are reinvested, they often purchase fractional shares, meaning you might own a portion of a share. This ensures all your dividend income is put to work. Robinhood generally does not charge extra fees for this service. The primary benefit of dividend reinvestment is the power of compounding. By automatically buying more shares, your future dividends will be even larger, leading to exponential growth over time. This hands-off approach saves you time and ensures your capital is continuously working for you. Periodically check your settings to confirm DRIP is active for your desired investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.